This is AC sliding. This is DFT AC sliding gate motor. We have two types. One is 1 ton weight. One is 2 ton weight. Okay, this is a clutch. Using the key, you can release a clutch. Why? If let's say in the event anything happen, you can release, and this gear, the door can open. Okay, but usually sliding, when after a while, long time wear out and tear, the limit switch, this limit switch might cause problem. So when the limit switch spoil, the door will continue to knock, and this spoil, it will continue to knock the pillar, and this might cause this gear jam. Okay, let us show you to you. We built in this board. We built in braking system. Braking system meaning is when you touch the limit switch, the gear will reverse a bit. So the inside the gear will be a bit loosened. So you can use the key to open the clutch, and the door can be opened. Okay, let me show it to you. You see, okay, when this door open, it will knock the limit switch, and this thing will reverse. Okay, one more time. Okay, now this thing will reverse. You see, one more time. When knock the limit switch, it will reverse. So this thing will not jam, you see. So it's loosened a bit in the motor. We design in this way for safety purpose. So in the event, if the limit switch spoil, you can still release the clutch using the key to open your door, your gate. Thank you.